Good ideas for running a great affiliate marketing program. When individuals look at starting up a business, they are not interested in a short-term cash infusion. They are looking for long-term success and a lot of room for growth. This is why so many are turning to affiliate marketing in order to sell products online. Before you put your hat in the ring, take a few minutes to check out these tips. Take the time to see all the options and ads provided by your affiliate program. Putting effort into selecting ads that are relevant and useful to your readers, and trying out different visuals and graphics can help you find the right formula for your site. You also should switch around your ads often, it keeps your site fresh and relevant to your readers. Give visitors many different options for connecting to your affiliate marketing through social media networks. In this day and age, people often choose to surf whichever portal is most convenient to them at the moment. If they are already posting on one source, they will often stay on that same source for more information. Be available on all of the social media sites in order to always be easily accessible to visitors. Only deal with affiliate companies that appreciate your efforts. Check with various companies to see if they offer bonuses for numbers of customers, loyalty bonuses, or any other type of reward system. You will be working hard as an affiliate, so make sure you go with a service that allows you to reap the benefits of your labor. Affiliate marketing is an extremely competitive field, wherein the uneducated rookies are eaten for breakfast and then disappear completely in a matter of weeks. You can avoid this drastic fate by making sure you do things correctly. Follow this two-step process: 1. Read these tips, and 2. Implement these tips. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.